Hi friends, hello, how are you all? Hope you are all doing well. So keep doing well. So today I am going to discuss about a simple concept, converting your dreams into reality. We all have dreams. We keep dreaming. Is it good to have dreams? Is it good to dream? No confusion. It is good to dream. You can dream small dreams, big dreams. You can have any number of dreams. Actually, not dreaming at all is probably wrong. Dreaming is not wrong. In fact, our previous President of India, Dr. Abdul Kalam, used to tell in all his addressing of the student communities in the colleges and universities, he always said, dream big. In fact, he went into the extent of telling, if you don't do dream big, it is a crime. Not dreaming big is a crime according to him. And he wanted all the youth to dream big and achieve big and take the nation forward. So, dreaming is right. Dreaming big is even more right. Now, what I am saying is, not working to make your dream come into reality is a crime. This is my opinion. N.P. Kishore is saying, not working to convert your dream into reality is also a crime. Then many of you may be thinking that what is this everybody saying, dreaming is, if I don't dream big it is a crime, and if I don't work to achieve that it is a crime. So am I becoming a criminal? No, don't worry. You are not being or becoming a criminal. However, not working towards converting your dream into reality is a big negative thing. That's all what I am saying. Now, how to do that? Okay, let us see. You all may have some dreams, some standard dreams, such as I want to become a government officer, IAS officer, probationary officer, or revenue officer, or IPS officer, or I want to go to USA, or I want to drive a BMW, I want to become a businessman, like that. So write all your dreams, maybe some 20-25 dreams, all on a paper. Then go through each one of them. Ask your question, why are you dreaming that? Why do you need to achieve that dream? So for example, I want to become a businessman. So you have to ask yourself, why? Why you want to become a businessman? Probably because your answer is, so since childhood I have been observing certain business people in my circles, and I have seen them working wonderfully and enjoying their life very well. So I always have dreamt about being a businessman. Fine. So like this, wherever you are getting a clearer answer why you need to achieve that dream, so please take that and drop all others where you are not able to get such clarity. So you may be left with some 4 or 5 dreams. Now, for each dream, you think seriously because you really want it, you have a burning desire to achieve that, you convert it into a goal. So that means you be very specific. I want to be a businessman by the age of 30 years. Like that, make a time frame and make it as a goal. Then you start working seriously, sincerely, how you will become a businessman within 30 years. So you will have to acquire the required qualifications or money or other things, and you will work for that. Then it becomes a reality. So where there is a clarity and where there is a sincere approach, then definitely it will become a reality. So this is how dream. Clarify if you are serious about the dream, why you need the dream to be fulfilled. Then convert the dream into a goal. Then have a plan to achieve that goal within the time frame. Then it becomes the reality. That's it. So please go ahead and dream as big as possible, as widely as possible, but convert that into goal and implement, put your efforts sincerely, and then you will achieve that goal. Any dream can be a reality. That's all from me for today. Thank you.